In today's exercise, I want to demonstrate how to do a seated leg curl with 3 to 5 seconds static holds. This is a great exercise that activates the hamstrings and also the glutes. Now when performing this exercise, the first thing you need is a leg curl machine, as you see right here in this video. Now, when coming into the seated position, make sure there's a knot that's on mostly like every leg curl machine. There's a little knot that's placed right here on the machine. Make sure that is aligned to your knees, okay? And then when placing the foot up, make sure your feet is straight, okay? And then you want to go ahead and lock yourself in, all right? Make sure when you lock yourself in, it's not so tight where it's making a lot of pressure onto your knees. Just make sure it's nice and snug, all right? So there's no type of movement, because you want to be isolated when performing this exercise. Now, what's going to really help when doing the exercise is making your body isolated as well. So what I mean is, when you're grabbing your handlebars, don't sit down so relaxed where the core is not activated and your shoulders are rolled forward and then you're just doing this, okay? Because when you're just doing that, yes, you're activating the exercise, but you're not going to be able to push as much weight if you're sitting more firm and tight. So what I mean is, really take the stomach, squeeze that in, keep it nice and tight, roll the shoulders back, keep the chest up, and when it comes to your hand placement, hold the bars really strong. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and demonstrate the exercise. So when coming down, this is the static hold, so I'm going to hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then after that, slowly come back up. Once I get up, you see that I go all the way back down, hold it for a good 3 to 5 seconds, and back up. And the whole purpose of this exercise is to create more time under tension with the hamstrings. You get a lot more activation, and also this helps with hypertrophy, which is muscle growth. This is how you do a seated leg curl with 3 to 5 seconds static hold.